from Decor USA presents Free Best Adirondack Chair. Our top pick, Highwood Hamilton Adirondack Chair. This chair makes for an excellent choice specifically for people who are looking for highest quality and lifetime use. The environmental friendly chairs are constructed from recycled plastic and engineered in the USA. They offer a curved back to help you adjust the angle as per your comfort. The chairs are assembled with using 304 grade stainless steel for exceptional strength. This fade-resistant material will keep the quality and color of the chairs even if you leave them outdoor for years. Another admirable feature of this chair is their portability, which makes the storage and transport much. You can check these products' price and customer reviews from the description links below. Our second pick, Foldable Classic Folding Adirondack. This chair is manufactured from polywood recycled lumber. Featuring contoured seat and flat back, you will feel more than contented. These chairs have a wood-like appearance but do not require maintenance as wood chairs do. You don't need to paint, stain or waterproof it. The heavy-duty construction makes them water-resistant and thus they are capable of withstanding against cracking, flaking and chipping. The overall material is UV protected so they don't fade while being placed outdoors in sunlight. Additionally, they effectively resist bugs, yeasts, and salt spray. The commercial-grade stainless steel construction makes them highly durable to last for several upcoming years. Mary Garden Foldable Adirondack Chair is our third pick. If you are searching for a real and reliable Adirondack wood chairs for your patio or backyard, this is a right choice. The foldable chairs are constructed from fir wood that offers a wonderful natural finish suitable with any kind of decor. Featuring an ergonomic design, these chairs provide ultimate comfort and relaxation. In addition to that, the lightweight construction makes it remarkably easy to move the chair around as you desire. It folds conveniently for quick storage and transport.